Ivan, it's time for Dollar General's Do Now deals, and they are hot. You saw it. Laundry deals are stacking, but we're going to start with a awesome Axe deal. Let's get to the deodorant right now. Okay, let's get right here to the Axe. The Axe is $5.75 right here, and we have a coupon for $6 off of 2. So $5.75 times 2 equal $11. Take $6 off, leave you at $5.50. Divide that by 2. You're going to pay $2.75. Let's get to another deal on the razors, the Schick razors right here. They gave us 2 coupons again. They're at $6, and you have 2 $3 coupon, making them $3 each. I love these right here, guys. Great edges for your eyebrows. Okay, the Dollar General Ibuprofen right here is $5, guys. When I scan it, it shows me that it's $5, but look, it is a $2 coupon, making that 250 caplet $3. So grab that. I am definitely going to pick that up because I need it. And guys, don't forget the Dollar General Ultra Sleep Aid right here, the 12 caplets. They are $5.25. When I scan it, it shows me it's $5.25. We also have a $2 coupon. Now that coupon also attaches to the sleep aid, so you have to get one or the other, or the ibuprofen. I'd rather have the ibuprofen. Happy Mother's Day, guys. We have some awesome oral care deals up in here, guys. Now this coupon is still here, right here, if you guys need it. That toothbrush of 6 is $4, and then you have that $2 off, making that $2, which expires on the 31st. Then you can pick up 2 of those and have $3 off when you buy 2. You have the Colgate Max Fresh for $3.25. You have that coupon right here that's $5 off of 3. And then we still have the Colgate 500 milliliter right here. They're $4. And we have that $2 off coupon, plus we have that buy 2 get $3 off. Now we did get a coupon on the Always right here, but it's on the 72 count liners. That's $5.50. They are $5.50. We got a $1.25 coupon, plus we got that $8 coupon. Then we got that Save 2. And then they are 2 for $10. Remember, we did that deal, making them 2 for $8 if you do the Save $2. This, I tried to see if it attached to that. It did not. Now, the Scott 6-roll tissue is at $3.50. $3.50 right here. And we had a $1 coupon, making that $2.50. So grab that tissue. And the 6-count paper towel right here, the Scott, is at $5. We do have a $1 coupon for the paper towel also, guys. It showed up in my app, but it is not coming up in the store when I scan it. See the Brawny? Let me show you in the app what came up for me. See that Brawny? And see that? The $5 Brawny, the 2 count. That $2 came up in the app. Then 2 for $10. When I scan it in the store, guys, it does not come up for me in the store, because you all know I would have came and did this 5 times right, but it didn't come up for me in the store, so that does not work for me. But if it worked for you guys in the store, go and do that, okay? Now let's get to some Gain coupons. See this right here, this Gain Odor Defense, the scent booster is $15.95, right? I'm gonna open it up. So $15.95 when I scan it. Now I scanned it, came up $15.95. We have multiple coupons. This one is $4 off. It's a Dollar General coupon. Claim it. That is a spend 30, save 5. I'm not gonna do anything with that. Then I have a $1.05 manufacturer, which I told you guys I was excited when I did the 5 off 25, because I never get a manufacturer coupon for the detergents anymore for Gain and Tide, but I got it, so I'm going to claim that also. Now, Dollar General and a manufacturer, they will stack. So that'll make that $5.05 off of this, making this $10.90. So that will be awesome to do. That deal will, okay? I'm also going to claim that. See, it won't let me process, and I have to wait because the internet is really bad in the back of the store. Now, their multi-surface vinegar cleaner is $2.50. They gave us a 50-cent coupon right here. Here you go, I'll hit that. And I always grab my vinegar because I do clean with that in my kitchen. $4.90. Let me go back to the scent boosters. Where is that at? Okay guys, I have another stackable coupon. It's for $4.90. See that one picked up as soon as I left the back of the store. So this one is for a gain that's $4.90, and it's off on this Gain Odor Defense right here. I scanned it. Let me show you. See, $9.95. That $1.05 will attach to that one also. And then you get $4.90 off one Gain laundry detergent. Here, hit that and open it up to read it. One Gain laundry detergent, 61 fluid ounce. So it connects to all of those, and it's telling you the deals. All right. Oh my God. Sorry guys. And it's telling you the deals and what it connects to. Okay. Those are all stackable coupons. Okay. Stack. I did mention this deal, but it is back, so we can do it again. Let's scan this one. The Tide. I'm spinning right here. Tide is $19.95. Then we have a buy one get one free. Hit that. When we hit the buy one get one free, it's going to take us to this. That is the one you buy one get one free. It's $9.95. When you do that, look what comes up. You also get a $2.05 coupon, 9 count or larger. Sport. If you pick up this, it's going to give you additional $2.05 off. Well, my coupon does not expire to the 31st. Okay? I would like another coupon to go with that. Or you can use it as a 5 off of 25 deal just on that deal. Okay, I just want to let you guys know the coupons that are stacking with each other in the laundry deals, they are awesome. So you could do a lot of stacked deals, but do not miss out on, because once people use up all these coupons, they'll take their coupon away, especially if you have not claimed the coupon. And then you have a 2 for $15 on any Gain item that's $9.95. You have to buy 2 forms of the ones that's $9.95. So that's an awesome deal also. Okay, let me scan here it is right here. The Downy Bees are at $5. When you scan it's $5. Look guys, we have a $1 coupon, making that $4. Then we're going to turn right here to the Persil. The Persil is $5.50 right here. And then they gave us a $1.50 manufacturer, and then it is a part of the spend 15, save $3 on that Persil Snuggle and Purex deal that's going on. Also, laundry deals are stacking and they are hot, guys. Okay, and then I want to look at the Arm & Hammer is $5, and they also have a spend 20, save 5. So if you guys still have any of the paper coupons that was attached to any of the big Arm & Hammer deals, use those. All right, guys, I'm going to end it right here because it is Mother's Day and we need to go and celebrate being wonderful, awesome moms. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you enjoy yourself, guys, because my kids are taking me out to eat. Bye.